UK, we are blessed with many sites of nature conservation interest, but the cost of maintaining and improving these sites is significant, and funding is becoming more and more competitive. Crowdfunding is big business in some sectors, but is not often utilised for conservation, despite its huge potential. Crowdfunding Nature was set up to test the effectiveness of crowdfunding and to help wildlife organisations set up their campaigns. The support we offered to participating organisations included a training course, phone and online support, and regular telephone conferences. Of the 8 organisations who expressed an interest, 5 ran a campaign, of which 4 were successful. None of the organisations had previously run a campaign before, and nearly £16,000 was raised in total. Here is what we learned, with the comments coming from staff and volunteers who helped to set up and run the crowdfunding campaigns. And there are more benefits to crowdfunding than just raising money. We found that campaigns had other outcomes too. And finally, out of the 5 organisations who ran a campaign, 4 said they would run one again, given the right project. Thank you to all the staff and volunteers who took part in Crowdfunding Nature.